We made an office hour app for 125 final project. The reason is because the office hour this semester is always crowded and students cannot get help efficiently. Our app solved this problem by having students submit requests to put them in queue. And I am Carrie Wang, and my role is making most of the UI.
I'm Chen Hui Zhang. I'm responsible for what happens behind the scene. For example, like communicating with Firebase and organizing data in our customized classes. Also, like utilizing Android features like notification and WebView. The third-party library that we use the most intensively is Firebase. We use Firebase to do authentication, and also we use Firebase Cloud Firestore to organize all of our data into a real-time database where we could fetch data and listen to any changes in real time. In addition, we use Glide to fetch all the avatars for individual users. And we also use the Android's WebView to display the calendar in the main page, and also for a small feature that we will introduce later. This is our GitHub repo where we made 135 commits. We work in different branches to prevent any conflict in the master. You can see our commit history here, and after we've done some new features, we will use pull request to merge our new features into master and test those features.
Here I've already logged into my student account, and you can see here's my avatar, my name and my email. And in the home page, it shows Jeff's office hour, and the 3 numbers right here shows the total students, CA and TA at office hour, and those numbers are controlled by this button right here. So if I click I'm at office hour, you can see the number from of students increase from 1 to 2, and then I can now leave office hour and it will decrease to 1. And here we display the CS125 calendar, and you can check all the events right here. And then we have 2 buttons. You can drag it to wherever you want. And by clicking Jeff's button, it will lead you to the CS125 Learn page. And by clicking Ben's button, it leads you to the CS125 forum.
Now, I have logged in as a core staff who is a really helpful CA in our lab. And this is the main screen for core staff. You can see there's no queue request. Instead, there's a staff portal. After entering staff portal, you can see all the students who are currently in queue is listed in this page.
And now on the student page, I can make a queue request. So I can choose either MP, homework, or other, and then put my estimated time and the table number. And we have handled the errors such that if I put in a illegal time, for example, 14 minutes, and then I put my number here. If I submit it, it will pop up the error message saying the time is too long. So now if I put in the correct time and table number, I've already entered a queue.
Yeah. After students enter in queue, every CA who is currently at the office hour will receive a notification about this saying new student entered queue. If I click this notification, I will be led to the CA task portal, and where I could, like, for example, using the checkbox to take the task, and after this, the task is assigned to myself.
We've also added some other features. So in here, if I click queue, it will show all the students that are currently in queue, and but the names showed here are generated by fake names because we want to protect students' privacy. And here we have TA forecast and CA forecast. Basically, we show all the TAs who are currently at the office hour, and obviously that was controlled by the at office hour button. And here's the CA forecast. And in TA forecast and CA forecast, if you press and hold the avatar, it will jump to the Gmail page and you can send them the email.
We also added some funny features to help students relieve stress. For example, this page will lead you to a web page where you could generate a custom passage from your prompt based on a model called Transformer, for example, and it can make up a whole passage or even several paragraphs for you. It's very funny.
So yeah, this is our final project and we hope you will like it, and we hope that this will be helpful to next semester's office hour. Thank you.
Bye.